You are watching the official YouTube channel of Best Tips for You. Lemons are a holistic superfood. In this video we will show you 5 ways to use it for weight loss, beauty treatments. Lemons are great for weight loss and detoxification, and can also do wonders for your hair and skin. The humble lemon found in every kitchen is actually a superfood packed with nutrients that can help you lose weight, get glowing skin and detoxify. It is refreshing in the form of juice and can be used with everything from cocktails to curries and teas. Here are some of its benefits that you need to know about. Number 1. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and boost your digestion. Some people swear by lemon shots, juice of a few lemons without adding water, while others prefer having it with warm water early in the morning. Either way, it helps to remove toxins from the body, improve immunity, and purify your blood. Number 2. Having lemon juice with honey and lukewarm water is believed to help in weight loss. It can also give relief from sore throat. Number 3. If you combine lemon with olive oil and apply it on your nails, it can help to strengthen brittle nails and whiten them. Number 4. Lemons can help to get rid of wrinkles, scars and age spots as well as remove suntan. To prevent wrinkles, mix a teaspoon of lemon juice extract and honey and a bit of almond oil. Apply it on your face and neck, keep it on for 5 minutes and then wash off. Number 5. If you are suffering from hair loss, make a paste by combining crushed lemon seeds and black pepper or lemon and vinegar. Apply it on the scalp and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it off. If you want to know best tips for you, you can subscribe and stay updated with best tips for you by clicking on notification bell icon. Thank you for watching YouTube channel of Best Tips for You.